Hello student, welcome back to Filo. Can you please confirm if my voice is audible?
Uh,
Yeah, so this is the question that you had, right?
no, this was a different question.
Okay, this is different. So you want to post the same question that you have posted before?
This one, I need help with a different question.
Okay, so can you please post the image of that one? Please post the image of the next question that you want help with.
I did. Is
This is
this
this is the
question
question.
of
Sorry,
question 11?
I can't see question 11 over here. I can see just there's a marking over here. Let me see. Is this the question? The table below displays results from experiments with polygraph instruments. Is this the question?
Yes, this is a question to talk about.
Okay, so you need solution for this, or you need the concept for this one.
Yes, it's a possibility.
Okay, allow me a moment to go through it once, right?
Right,
Okay, the table below displays. Thanks for your confirmation. The table below displays results from experiment with polygraph instrument. Find the positive predictive value for the test. That is, find the probability that the subject lied, given that the test yields a positive result. Subject lied. Okay, so positive result 10, and did not lie. So they have positive inside. They said no in 10, and yes, they said 14. Negative result 32 in 11. Find the probability that the subject lied. No. Did not lie, no, and 14 ideas. Okay. Given the test yield a positive result. Okay, so we have to, I believe we have to see the first case. So we have to find the probability in the case when the test yields a positive result, right? So positive result, I believe that's
right,
the first one, right? So find the probability
right,
that the subject lied. So if you see over here, what is the total number of the subjects that they are taking? In case of no, there are 10, right? Over here.
yep, that's true.
And in case of yes, they have 40, right?
Right,
These two together makes the positive test result, right? These two together is making up the positive test result, these two. And we have to find the probability for this one. Okay?
okay,
Yeah. Find the probability that the subject lied. That means the first, 40. So that means again to find the probability, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to find out how many in total, how many tests were conducted. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers, 10 and 40. So can you please confirm how much will that be equivalent to 10 plus 40?
uh, I think is that 50?
Yes. So in total, there were 50 people on which this test was conducted, right?
Right,
And we have to find find the property that the subject lied. So in this, if you see this, in out of this 50, 40 of them has lied, in which they have given as yes, right?
right.
So it would be 40 over 50. So can we simplify this in further?
Uh, so you said divide by 40 into 50?
Yeah, but not into decimals. We have to keep it in fractions. So what do you think? Can we divide it by 10? Both the numbers and the numerators and denominators?
Uh, well, you can do,
Like, can we divide 40 and 50 by 10? Are they
yes,
okay? So it would be 4 over 5.
yeah, 4 over 5.
Yeah, now the thing is, like, till here, all the steps are clear. How we have done, how we got 50, and how why it is 40 over at the top. Have,
Both by 10.
no, have you understood till here, student, why we have written 40 on the numerator and 50 at the denominator?
Because you add 40 into 10 and you get 50.
Yeah, because at
And
this
you,
50 is the total possible total sample space. Sample space means what are the total cases that we are taking. So if you see, they have taken this test on 10 plus 4. 40 of them have said yes, and 10 of them had said no. So in total, we have conducted this experiment on 50 people or subjects, out of which we have to find that the subject lied. So out of this 50, it
Uh-huh.
has been given that 40 of them have lied, right? 40 of them out of 50 have lied. So we take
Uh-huh.
40 as a number which they have lied out of total 50. So the probability is, how do we read this thing? 4/5 is that out of every 5 subjects, 4 of them would have lied. That's how we read this fraction.
So you said so my answer is
Four over
4
five.
over 5.
Yes.
But it say round to 3 decimals
Huh.
places as needed.
Okay. I like in the answer part we didn't saw that. So in that case, what we can do is we can simplify this thing. Divide 4 by 5. So you get 0.800. You can write it like that.
So you said 0.008.
0.800. Okay.
How you did that?
We divided 4 by 5. It would be 0.8. If you have to add the 3 decimal places, you can write it 0.800.
Wow, you know how to break it down.
It's a simple calculation. You can do it on the calculator as well. It's not that big.
So my answer will be 0.800.
800. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you found that helpful? Like till here, have you understood?
Yep. I think I think we have
Just just remember this formula. This formula is really important actually. This one. In fact, I've told you the same formula in the previous one as well. Whatever the number of events that are happening divided by the total possible events. That's it. In this case, they have taken the test on
so
10
you
plus.
divided by it. So you use the 10. You break it down to 4/5,
Yes, and then simplify it further in case if the answer is needed in decimals. Else we can write
and you
4
divide
over 5.
4 into 5 is 0.800.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm, interesting.
Okay. So I'm expecting that you have understood this question and as well as the answer. Is it?
Okay.
So do you have any other question in which I can help you out with? Do you have any other question, student, in which I can help you out with?
Yes.
Okay, request you to please post. And since you are new to this app, I should tell you that